Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open a pop can properly, and this will be an easy tutorial for beginners. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a pop can, very simple. It is a pop can that I brought into my vehicle, and I'm going to be opening it up. Very simple, it's just like flavored sparkling water. It is this like mango flavored sparkling water beverage. Okay, I got a whole case of these things with different flavors. I love them. I have, probably on average like one a day, at least when we have them in the fridge. When we don't have them, I don't have any of them, but yeah, when we have them, I have them like regularly, and I enjoy them. So I figure, you know what, I'll bring this with me, I'll do a video with it, and then I will drink it. Very, very easy. Okay, and it'll hydrate me because it's water. So anyways, as you can see right here, this is the pop can, and when you look on the top, you're going to see this little tab right here. This is the tab that you're going to use to open the pop can. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our finger underneath the edge of that tab. So you see, here is where it will open, and this is the tab, and this is the edge of the tab that I'm talking about. I'm going to get my finger underneath. You can see we're underneath. We're prying it a little bit, okay? And when I have the can upright, I'm going to use my finger that is underneath to pry it like this. We're going to go like this. Very simple. That's the motion, okay? Now I'm going to put the can upright so it doesn't spill. I'm taking my finger, it's going underneath the edge, just like I showed you over there, of the pop can tab, okay? And we're gonna pry it towards the opening. There's where the opening will be. We're prying it towards the opening. Very simple. So finger is under the edge of the pop can tab like that. The pop can is upright. And I'm just gonna pry it like this. Watch what I'm gonna do. There we go. And basically I put it all the way that way. I can't tilt it because what's gonna happen is it's gonna spill. But the pop can tab is over the opening. What I'm gonna do, let me drink a little bit, and then I'll show you. So I'm just gonna drink a little bit. All right, I can probably get a little bit of an angle here. So there we go. So as you can see, let's get it to focus. The pop can tab right now is over the opening. It's kind of hard to see, but that should be good. The pop can tab is over the opening. What we're gonna do is we're gonna push it back to the other side. So I'm gonna take the pop can tab and I'm putting it back towards the other side where it originally was. I'll give you a better view. Give me a moment. Wow, that's great. Oh, wow. Amazing. Oh, incredible. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I burped a couple times there. Excuse me again. I do apologize. Excuse me for all of the times that I burped there, okay? Let's just excuse myself all at once. Anyways, that's what it's going to look like in the end. You can see that we've opened it up. Let's get this thing into focus. So there we go. We've opened it up, and the pop can tab is now opposite the opening. Excuse me again. And basically, I'm just drinking from the opening, and the pop can tab is out of the way. So I'm just drinking from the opening over there, just like this. Wow, I told you, I do enjoy this stuff. I really do, if you can't tell. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Hopefully you can make use of it. And yeah, other than that, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.